Most people create tables just to display data. But what if your table could do more than just sit there? What if it could guide users, display rich content, filter information instantly, and actually help people make decisions? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your table smarter by using the right data types inside Ninja tables. From clickable buttons to sortable ratings, expandable descriptions to pop-up images, this small change makes a big difference. Okay guys, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. So I already have a basic product table created. At first glance, everything looks fine, but it's all just plain text. That works, but we can do better. So let's go column by column and enhance it using proper data types. First, let's check out the product name field. So for that, I'll click on the column settings from the right corner. You can also do the same thing from the table configuration tab, by the way. Okay, so as you can see, for the product name, we already have single line text field on by default. It's usually used for straightforward things like names or short texts. Now, let's check out how to give product description. Right now, as you can see, it's a single line of text, but descriptions are usually longer. So what I'll do is I'll click on the column settings again, and I'm going to change the data type to text area. So what it does is it allows me to describe the product without any limits. So let's add a description. All right, take a look. When I go to edit the row, it gives me a much larger input box. So it's easier to write and review without anything getting cut off. Now, what if you want to add some extra customization or add any video link instead of description? Or maybe any other ways to describe the product through links? For that, you can take the HTML field. What this does is it lets you add any type of link so that you can add more content and show more information if you need to of the product through links. Alright, moving on, let's take the product image column to the next level. A static image is fine, but it doesn't really do justice when you're trying to showcase the full appeal of a product. Instead of just displaying a flat image, what we can do is we can make it interactive by enabling the image lightbox option. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, as you can see, this second option is for image lightbox. This way, when someone clicks on the image in the table, it doesn't just sit there. It opens in a full view, giving the users a clearer, closer look without navigating away from the page. It's quick, smooth, and makes the browsing experience so much more intuitive. But let's say you want to go even further with something more dynamic. Instead of static image, you can switch the data type to iframe lightbox and embed a product video directly to the table. Whether it's a demo, a how-to, or a promo clip, this gives users an immersive experience right from the table itself. It's like giving your customers a mini product page within a table cell with no extra clicks or redirection. This kind of rich representation doesn't just make your tables look better. It helps users feel more informed, more engaged, and much more confident in what they're viewing. And when customers feel informed, they're far more likely to convert because they're not left wondering about the details. Everything they need is right there, just one click away. Okay, now let's look at two important columns, one for rating and another for price. These fields are numeric by nature, so instead of using plain text inputs, we're assigning them the number data type. Using actual numeric values allows you to unlock powerful features. You can sort products by highest or lowest rating, filter by specific price ranges, or run quick comparisons right inside the table. It's more accurate, more interactive, and instantly makes the table feel smarter. But the benefits go beyond just sorting and filtering. Numeric fields give you real insights. You can spot trends in pricing, identify customer feedback patterns, and help your users make more informed decisions. This kind of clarity directly contributes to better product planning and improved customer satisfaction. So while it may seem like a small change, using the right data type here makes a big impact. Now let's add one more field that's incredibly useful: date fields. Whether it's a product launch, a sale end date, or a restock schedule, the date field helps you communicate time-sensitive information clearly. Adding it is simple. Just select the date data type from the drop-down, and then choose a predefined format, or you can just create your own. It's flexible, easy to set up, and adds an extra layer of precision to your tables. Okay, what if you need to show time? Check this out. Done! You can even pick the first date of the week because that depends on your location. Now, CTA buttons. To add that, just drop your link and you're set. Want to match your brand or add some style? Easy. Change button behavior or add referral info too. Literally as smooth as butter. Just in case you're not happy with the layout, just drag and rearrange, no problem. Oh, I forgot something. For product categories, switch to the select field type. Predefine categories and keep things neat and simple for users. And that's everything you need to get started and make your setup truly your own. From showing the time and choosing your week start date to customizing call to action buttons exactly how you want, it's all about giving you full control without any hassle. Remember, if something doesn't look good or feel quite right, you can always tweak, rearrange, and style it until it's just perfect. Plus, organizing your products with predefined categories makes the whole experience smoother for your users. So go ahead, dive in, experiment, and make it your own. Thanks so much for sticking with me through the walkthrough. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, keep creating and keep making things awesome.